Hi there, this is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Here first is yesterday's odds sheet. There was a bit of a close call again on Tuesday. As you can see, SPY did meet the minimum criteria for a possible overnight long trade. I trade ES, and odds there were just below the minimum required. Price action looked moderately bullish, as did internals. Seasonality looked quite favorable. In yesterday's overview, I showed a study that indicated that Tuesday prior to Thanksgiving has been bullish when the market has closed above its 200-day moving average. So we also had some positive seasonal evidence from that study. The odds just weren't quite there, and they weren't confirmed by any of the other indices, some of which even suggested a moderate downside edge. Borderline and conflicting odds made it a fairly easy decision for me to sit this one out. Let's see how it played out overnight. A big drop early in Asia's session saw ES over 8 points below its closing price of 1386.25, but the bleeding stopped around midnight Eastern, and it was a steady climb higher from there. In the end, ES opened up this morning a mere 1 tick. SPY gapped up 12 cents as it met the minimum criteria for the second day in a row and posted a nice little win, once again helped out by its 4 o'clock close versus the 4:15 futures close. Looking at the daily chart, you can see that ES is trying to close up for the 4th day in a row after having closed at a 50-day low 4 days ago. I examined other instances of a 50-day low being followed by 4 consecutive up closes. Here's the results. There have only been 13 occurrences since 2000, so the sample size is a little low. Early indications suggest a possible downside edge. Here's the full list of trades for anyone that would like to take a closer look. I'd like to wish all of you in the U.S. a very happy Thanksgiving. And remember, overseas markets are open tomorrow, so any overnight trade will actually last 2 days overseas. This, of course, adds an extra component of risk and needs to be taken into account when deciding whether to take a position tonight. Happy Thanksgiving, eat plenty, and rest easy.